Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to add your solved problems in your bookmarks in your Microsoft Math Solver app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Microsoft Math Solver app. Here we go. Now at the top you can see the option scan, draw and type. Here I will be tapping on type. Now here I will be typing a math problem. Here I go. And then I will be clicking on that arrow at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner you can see that icon. Tap on that. Now tap on back. Now tap on that top left corner. Now at the bottom you can see the option bookmarks. Tap on that. Now here you can see that my solved question has been added to bookmarks. In this way you can easily add your notes in bookmarks. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.